Long story short, oil sensor went out in it, and I had to bought me a oil pressure test. Did all the good stuff because I just make sure it wasn't my oil pump that was bad. Turned out to be just the sensor, which is good. So got the sensor, got the new sensor, got this from, I think it was Advanced Auto, and it was only like 40-ish bucks or whatever, something like that. And I just want to do a quick video on installing it. Now, I couldn't find my freaking GoPro, so using my phone today. And from what I understand and what I've read, the LS2, LS1, LS2, and I guess LS7, don't quote me on that, but I mean, they're supposed to have the same, you know, all the same freaking sensors and locations, which is behind the, in the block behind the intake manifold on the driver's side. Pretty easy to get to. This one does, for some reason, doesn't have this, like the red, I guess it's Loctite or whatever to keep it from leaking. And my new one does not have that, so I'm gonna put some, a little bit of Teflon tape up there just because. And yep, I'm about to throw it in a little bit. Once again, I'm using my cell phone. Couldn't find my GoPro. Got me a good layer of Loctite on the threads. Make sure that the Loctite was actually in the threads. Ran through it, you know, with my nail, pushed it all in really good. And had to go buy this socket, but this is the only one I didn't have. It's actually a 1 1/16. I'm hoping you can see that. 1 1/16 socket. Had to run out AutoZone Duralast. Grabbed that, and it's LS2. All of them supposed to have the same size. And yeah, so that'll save you some time. You know, I had to run out like twice. And these are like shaped kind of weird, but they fit in. Boom. That's not really any play or all or anything. All right, so I'm about to go ahead and go over to the car, put it in. I'm over at the car. I was just using this to clean the hole off. You can see, didn't want any dirt or, you know, oil residue or anything in the way. This is the actual sensor connector. The top of it's right there. The hole, hoping you can see it. I can see. Wish I could cut my flashlight on, but all right. So got that. You always want to start threading something in with your hand. You know, I know you can't really see it right now, but it's threading in really good. And it also has a crush washer on it as well to help with. It's kind of like a crush washer, like on an AR. It's turned backwards, but same difference. And like I said, I'm gonna take your 1 1/16 ratchet. I mean, your 1 1/16 socket. It's mine's a 1/2 inch. I don't know if you can get them in other sizes, but then you just wanna get you a pretty good. I don't assume it needs to be crazy tight. I'm sure there's probably a torque spec or something for it. I mean, there's no like real vibration or anything on it, so I wouldn't do too much. You know, mess anything up. This isn't a how-to video or anything. It's just showing what I did. All right, that's pretty good. Anything above that, I need to apply some good pressure for it. So, yeah, and snap my connector back in. Oh, got it snapped. All right. Now, just gonna go crank it up and see if we still get a sensor light. All right, YouTube, this is a moment of truth. See if I get the oil pressure. If I do, I'm gonna be a little upset. Hey, yeah, I need some gas. I'm good. Awesome. Like I said, this isn't a how-to video. It's just showing, you know, me putting a oil pressure sensor in. Maybe you need an oil pressure sensor. Sorry I couldn't show you how I took it out, but you know, right behind the intake manifold on the driver's side. You probably see it a little better if you take off the valve cover. That's what I had to do to actually get a good look at it. I mean, 1 1/16 socket, you know, lefty loosey, take it out, get a new sensor. If it doesn't have the shit on the threads, then I'll put the thread shit on it. And just put it back in, connect the connector, and you're good. Peace.